It's getting icy. Really crunchy snow.
It's not so bad over here. Look at how it come blowing off the houses over here.
I can see a lot right here. It's really coming down.
Can I fly my drone?
No. I feel like I'm in a snow globe right now. It's hard to see, but it's coming down really hard right now. Whew. It's coming in pretty strong. Oh, it's a pretty good layer here on the chairs. Everything is covered. It's pretty thick. It's awesome. Snowing in Texas. This is a rare occurrence for us this far down south. But it is amazing. It feels so magical. Good entry. And it snowed. And it snowed. And it snowed. In the morning, our backyard looked like this, and the power went off and on all night long. We tried to watch movies on our iPads to pass the time. We had some vodka and we stayed in bed to try to stay warm. At this point, it had been 2 complete days without power. It was about 50 degrees in our house. We got tired of eating granola and we wanted something warm to eat, so we cooked on top of our fire pit outside. Some friends invited us to come stay with them. They had power and water, so we decided to leave. Traffic was insane. People were running around trying to find supplies. We were not sure how safe the roads would be, but we went anyway. I think it's too slick to drive. The road was frozen solid and it was pretty scary. Are you sure? Okay.
I just didn't know coming this way, looking over.
Tell.
I didn't know what. So once I saw this down here, I thought,
Okay. Luckily, we arrived safely at our destination. Little did we know we would get snowed in. And I watched my car slowly turn into a snowball. We were very lucky to have a warm place to stay with our friends, and we had a really good time hanging out with them. And after being snowed in an additional day, we were able to head home.